Hi, in this tutorial I am going to show how we can run command in the terminal of VS Code. Suppose this is a Laravel application. In this Laravel application, if we want to start the terminal, then you can go to terminal and new terminal. Then a terminal will come here. In this terminal you can write codes php artisan serve, then the server will run, or you can run php artisan cache clear, enter. You will see that application cache cleared success message come. You can run other commands, php artisan make model admin. If I run this command, there a model will be created into the models folder. Okay, enter. You see that the admin.php now comes and a model has been created, and here are the default codes. So in this way we can use terminal. If we want to use the git bash, we also can run that command. From here you will see that here is a git bash. So if git is installed on your computer, then you can run the git commands there. We see that they're not a git repository. There is actually no git created into the Laravel test folder, so it is showing us this. If we write git and press enter, you see that all the git commands come here. So in this way you can use the terminal, and hope you have understood how to work with this. Thank you.